If you're an expert who wants to sell your knowledge and the plan is to create a course or a Canva template or a membership and just wait for that money to roll in, stop, because you are following a model that died 6 months ago. In the last 8 years, I've generated over $3 million in consulting revenue and over $2 million in online course revenue. I've built and sold an online membership, and a lot of it worked incredibly well for a while. And in the last 6 months, I watched it stop working the way it used to, which is why in 2026, I made a very deliberate decision to change everything. Many of the biggest names online are pivoting away from courses behind the scenes, and I'm about to show you why. In this video, you're gonna see exactly what changed, why this model that everyone is still selling you is getting harder by the day, and what the actual opportunity is for smart, experienced people who want to build real income online. This is one of the most exciting things I have seen in 20 years, but only if you understand where the shift is happening. So let's get into it. For a long time, the online course model made complete sense. The logic was simple. You know something that other people don't. You package that knowledge into a course or a product and sell it online, and people pay you for that information. They get value and you make money while you sleep. And it worked. Information was scarce. And if you spent years building a skill in marketing or finance or operation or leadership or design or whatever it was, and someone needed that skill, your knowledge was genuinely valuable. But then AI came into the picture and information stopped being scarce. So think about this for a second. There were over 2.5 billion AI prompts per day on ChatGPT last year. 2.5 billion. That is double what it was the year before, and that number is accelerating. Right now, someone can sit down and in 15 minutes get a comprehensive marketing strategy or a financial model or a complete HR framework, a step-by-step system for almost anything they need for free. YouTube has been doing this for years already. You can pretty much learn any skill in the world without paying a dollar. The information has always been available somewhere, but now that it's instantaneous and personalized and better than most courses, then people are still charging hundreds of dollars for. We are living in the most information abundant moment in human history. And what that means for anyone who's been trying to sell information online is that the product that you are selling, the knowledge itself, has become commoditized. Not by a competitor, but by technology. And this is why so many people who built successful online businesses 3, 4, 5 years ago are now noticing that something has quietly shifted. Buyers who used to say yes quickly are much more skeptical about whether or not a course or a digital download is actually going to do anything for them. So the question they're asking before every purchase is this going to be different enough from what I'm already paying for or I can get access to? And a lot of the time, the answer they land on is no, not really. The second is templates and digital downloads. But the market is wildly saturated, and AI can now generate a custom template for almost any use case in seconds. I know so many creators who are selling $27 or $37 or $47 products, and they're barely making back their ad spend because of how saturated the market has become. One bad day or one bad week of running ads, and they're thousands of dollars in the red. Now let's talk about memberships. Memberships can be wonderful. I built and sold a membership online during the pandemic, but here's what most people underestimate. Memberships require you to constantly create and constantly innovate and constantly show up and produce value month over month. And the churn is unstoppable even when you do all that. So this is not a small lift, and it tends to eat at your time and profits in a way that surprises a lot of people. So here's where I want to shift the conversation. While information has been commoditized, there are things that AI cannot replace. And those things are becoming more valuable, not less, precisely because everything else is getting cheaper. The first is hard-earned, lived experience. There is a profound difference between information and wisdom. AI can generate information, but it cannot replicate the experience of having done something, having made the mistake, survived the hard moments, and come out on the other side with the specific judgment that only comes with real-world experience. Your years in the field are not a commodity. They are genuinely irreplaceable. The second is accountability. We are drowning in information that tells us exactly what it is that we're supposed to be doing, and almost nobody does it. Not because they don't know, they do know, but they don't do it because knowing and doing are two completely different things. And that gap between where they are and where they want to be is where transformation actually happens. What AI cannot provide is a real human who is invested in your outcome, who will ask you the hard questions, who notices when you're avoiding the thing that you said you were going to do, and that cannot be automated. The third is human connection. The thing people value is never the content. The content is helpful, but it is almost always the connections with the other people. The peer that is 6 months ahead of them, the person who has the same problem they were embarrassed to admit out loud. The community that makes them feel like all of this is actually possible, and that is irreplaceable. In a world that is increasingly mediated by screens and AI, the hunger for genuine human connection in learning and growth is only getting stronger. The fourth is transformation, and that's not information, that's transformation. There is a version of online education that is just content delivery. Watch these videos, complete this workbook, and good luck. And then there's the version that actually changes someone, that walks with them through the hard part, that holds the vision of who they can become when they've forgotten it. That's what people are desperate for. And that cannot be found for free. So what does this actually mean for you? If you've been spending years building your expertise in something that helps people or businesses get a result, then you are sitting on an asset that is becoming more and more valuable by the day. But the way that you deliver that asset has to match the model that the market is actually rewarding right now. And that model is the advisory model, a high-touch, transformation-focused model where you work with people directly. It is built on real human relationships where you are genuinely invested in someone's outcome. This does not mean that you need to be available around the clock, and it does not mean taking on more than what you can handle. It also doesn't mean trading your freedom for someone else's results. In fact, when structured correctly, this model gives you so much more time freedom, more income, and more impact than any low-ticket funnel ever could. The nice thing about this model is that you already have the skills required to provide a powerful transformation. You built them over the course of a career that the online guru economy has been telling you to leave behind in favor of recording slapped together courses. This is the thing that genuinely makes me frustrated on behalf of so many smart, capable people, the people who are best positioned for high-touch, high-value work, the ones that have actually done what it is that they're teaching or consulting on and have real wisdom and have the lived experience. All of those people have been told the path is to sell a $27 PDF and build a following on TikTok. The fastest, most direct path to meaningful income from your expertise without an audience, without a product, and without a funnel is working directly with other businesses one-on-one in a relationship that is structured for their transformation and for your freedom. This is the model that I rebuilt my own business around after years of doing it the other way. It is the model that has helped thousands of professionals inside of my community step out of corporate, step out of the exhausting cycle of building content for an audience that isn't converting, and into an advisory practice where their mornings are their own, their income is predictable, and the work that they do every single day matters. Then, once you have the experience of getting clients and generating cash flow, you can grow an expert brand, not an influencer following. Once you have an expert brand built, you can get on stages and sell high-touch group programs and teach workshops and guest on podcasts and position yourself like the expert you are. The good news is that online education is not dying. People have never wanted transformation more than they do right now. But the model that delivers it and the model that rewards the person delivering it has evolved. And the people who understand that shift are the ones that are going to build what's actually possible on the other side of this. So if you're sitting with this thinking, I don't even know if what I know is valuable enough for this, I don't know if people would even pay me for it, and I don't know where I'd even start, I want you to know that feeling is completely normal. And it is almost always wrong. The most successful students that I have seen in our community always start out underestimating their own expertise. And that's usually the people who have the most to offer. Because when you know something deeply, it stops feeling special. It just feels like, well, that's what I know. But to somebody who doesn't know it, someone who is stuck or struggling or trying to figure out the exact thing that you figured out years ago, that knowledge is not ordinary. It is exactly what so many people have been looking for. And if this is something that you want to dive more into, I put together a free GPT that walks you how to look at your experience and identify what a high-touch advisory offer could actually look like for you. It's in the description below, and it'll take you less than 5 minutes to go through. And if you want to go deeper on exactly how this model works, the structure of it, how clients are priced, how the relationship is designed so it gives you freedom versus consuming it, watch the next video. I walk through the specific framework that I have used and taught for the last 7 years to help people make this transition. So I'll see you over there.